Today I'm going to be working again with one of my very favorite ingredients, the fenugreek leaves. I love the fenugreek leaves or methi in every form, and today I'm going to be using it in roti or the Indian bread, and I'm going to make something called thepla, which is very popular in the Gujarat region of India. You can eat this with any potato vegetable, with some mango chutney and yogurt as an accompaniment. So let's go right ahead and start cooking. In a mixing bowl, 1 cup of wheat flour. You can even take gram flour and make it half a cup wheat, half a cup gram, or you can even take mixed grains, but I prefer to do whole wheat. Half a cup of chopped fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt as per taste, and I will add little water slowly to bind the dough. I have used about 1/4 cup of water to bind a soft dough. Put a few drops of oil on top. Grease it with your fingers, cover it and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes before you roll them out into rotis for the theplas. My dough has been resting for nearly 20 minutes and now I am ready to make the theplas. Divide the dough into small rounds like this. Put it in some flour to roll out the dough into a thin circular roti. I generally like to roll out all the rotis and then fry them. It's quicker that way. So you can see I have finished rolling out all the theplas. When you roll out all the theplas, make sure that they can easily be removed. They should not be sticking to one another very closely. So leave some space between them. And when the girdle is hot, just pick one of the rotis like that. And now it's time to cook it. Lightly cook on one end and flip the roti over. Take a napkin and slightly dab it to cook it evenly. Flip it again and lightly dab it for it to rise. Do the same process with each and every roti that you have rolled out till all the theplas are cooked. That's that, guys. Really super simple. Just be patient and cook them nicely and relish it with the potato vegetable and enjoy. Bye-bye.